Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Iced Espresso Caramel Macchiato store-bought bottle espresso beverage. I don't know what to call this. It's a store-bought version of the Starbucks coffee. And I'm excited to try this one out because I love Starbucks, I love caramel macchiatos. And it says it's inspired by a signature blend served in our cafes every day. Buttery caramel flavor blended with our bold espresso and cream. So the ingredients are brewed Starbucks espresso coffee, water, sugar, condensed milk, cream, natural flavor, potassium carbonate, ascorbic acid, tripotassium phosphate. Contains milk. Not a whole lot of ingredients in there, that's pretty good. For 355 milliliters, there is 190 calories, 4 grams of fat, 32 grams of carbohydrate, with 29 of this being sugar. So there's a lot of sugar in this, and 7 grams of protein. So also a little bit of protein, very nice. Try it hot, shake well and serve chilled over ice, or warm up and serve hot. I'm gonna go cold. Do a microwave or heating bottle. Rejected foil isn't sealed. Keep refrigerated after opening, consume within 7 days. Cool. You can see on the bottom there, caramel macchiato with big Starbucks cap on it. And then it's all right here. Peel that open. I have bandages all over my arm here from surgery, so I'm having a hard time opening it. Here we go. Oh yeah, that smells like a caramel macchiato. I even got a Starbucks color changing cup to put it in. Cool. A little snap of it, I'll probably end up drinking the whole bottle. But it's caramelly, creamy. I can tell there's a bit of a texture to it. You can see the color changing. Pieces are already changing color there. It's cool. Oh yeah, caramel macchiato. Yeah, it does taste like caramel macchiato from Starbucks. One thing I noticed with all types of jarred coffee or canned coffee or boxed coffee, it's all of a slightly like, it's bitter, but not, it doesn't taste the same as the original. That's not a big deal because it's still very good, but it does have a bit of a different taste to it. And taste the espresso there. Yeah, it's pretty good though. I really like that. Obviously not as good as the original caramel macchiato from Starbucks, but it's still a very good option. And if you got a long commute and you don't want to make it any longer by going to Starbucks, you can pick this up at the grocery store and have close to the same thing on your way to work. So I think that's really nice. Easy to take anywheres with you and still getting that same Starbucks taste. I would give this an 8 out of 10. It tastes pretty good, but it does have, again, that bitter, like, doesn't taste fully like coffee or espresso, a little bit, like, kind of stale maybe, tiny bit. It's still very good, but all types of coffee that I find in stores have that taste, so I think it's pretty common. But nonetheless, still very good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.